Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session, we are going to find cube roots of unity. For that, let's suppose that x is the cube root of unity. So we can write x is equal to cube root of unity. To remove this cube root from the equation, we will take cube of both sides of the equation, taking cube of both sides. So we have x cube is equal to cube root of unity whole cube. This cube cancels out with the cube root and we have x cube is equal to 1. Moving 1 to the left hand side, so we have x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. This can be written as x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0, and according to the formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We will expand this left hand side of the equation. So we have x minus 1 into x square. Ab is x into 1, which is x, and b square, which is 1 square, is equal to 1 is equal to 0. Now according to the zero product property, we can write that x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from x minus 1 we can write that x is equal to 1. This is one root of the unit cube root of unity, and for the other roots we will solve this quadratic equation. So comparing this quadratic equation with the standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 1. So to find the solution or roots of a quadratic equation, we use the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now insert the values of a, b and c, so we can write that x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 1 square minus 4 value of a1 value of c1 divided by 2, or value of a is 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 1 square is 1, 4 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 1 is 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root, and 1 minus 4 is minus 3 divided by 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 can be written as minus 1 multiplied with 3 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root can be separated for the terms and multiplication. So we are writing minus 1 under a separate square root and 3 under another square root divided by 2. Now as we know that minus 1 square root is equal to iota, so x is equal to minus 1 plus minus, inserting iota for our under root minus 1 square root 3 divided by 2. So we can write that x is equal to minus 1 plus iota square root 3 by 2, and x is equal to minus 1 minus iota square root 3 by 2. Now let's suppose that omega is equal to minus 1 plus iota square root 3 divided by 2. So taking square of both sides, we have omega square is equal to minus 1 plus iota square root 3 divided by 2 whole square. Square can be separated for numerator and denominator. Minus 1 plus iota square root 3 whole square divided by 2 square. Now omega square is equal to, the numerator can be written as iota square root 3 minus 1 whole square divided by square of 2 is 4. Now for the numerator we will use the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So omega square is equal to iota under root 3 whole square minus 2 into iota square root 3 into 1, and b square will be 1 square divided by 4. So omega square is equal to, iota is equal to square root minus 1, so we have iota square, and under root 3 square, square is separated for both the terms, and inserting the value of iota plus 2 multiplied, sorry, this is minus, and 2 multiplied with 1 is 2 iota square root 3 plus square of 1 is 1 divided by 4. Now this square cancels out with this square root, this square cancels out with this square root. So we have omega square is equal to minus 1 multiplied with 3 is minus 3 minus 2 iota square root 3 plus 1 divided by 4. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2, so omega square is equal to minus 2 iota square root 3 divided by 4. 2 is common in the numerator, so taking out 2 common, 2 into minus 1 minus iota square root 3 divided by 2 by 4, 2 divides 4, so omega square is equal to minus 1 minus iota square root 3 divided by 2. So this root is equal to omega square. If this root is taken as omega, then the other root will equal to omega square. So solution set of the unity roots are 1, which is from here, and we have omega, which is from here, we have supposed it, and we have the omega square, which we have found from here. So this is the solution set for the cube roots of unity. Hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when a math problem is solved. Thank you.